Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokemon trading card game live platform error code 19013. This error occurs when players try to log into the game either on PC or mobile devices. According to our research, this error is likely related to network issues or location-based restrictions. In some cases, the problem may also be account-specific and require support assistance. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network. Once everything restarts, try logging in again and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Once connected to the new network, try accessing the game again. If switching networks doesn't help, try using a VPN. Simply install a VPN on your phone or PC and turn it on, then try logging into the game. This workaround has helped some users bypass the error. So try this and see if this helps you too. If you still receive the error after trying all the steps, then we recommend contacting the Pokemon support team. To do this, visit support.pokemon.com, click on the Pokemon Trading Card Game Live link and select Contact Us. Make sure to include as many details as possible to help them investigate the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.